Alrighty, so this made me this axe handle, nice ash. One of my uncle's old heads. It was on this here. Oh, it was on that. I just dropped myself right on my foot. So now I'm in the mood for making axes, so I got another one ready to go. This is the one I had, but these ones are not as good for splitting because they're too, I think they're too pointy. There's another one here, similar. This one might be not bad. Got this old one here, kind of pointy. Not sure if you can see what that says. Walters, maybe? And look at this old daddy here. Ooh, that's probably, that one got some weight to it. I might have to make an ash handle for that one. That's going to be a tough one. And then we got, these are more modern, not that new, not that old. And then I got this one here. They have names in them, but I just can't. Walters, another Walters right here. I got two Walters. I'm sure this don't have a name. It's old. But, yeah. We're going to give this a go. This is maple. I don't know how tough it's going to be, but I'll find out. This one here, this should be good. This is ash. Should be good. Not perfect. I'm not an axe maker. So this is what I do, is I trace the inside out and how big it is. And I'll just take the draw knife and then take some down. I'll get set up.
All right, no bucking Billy Ray, but I can make me an axe handle. I'd like to know, is this the same size for every axe? Is all this hole here? Does anybody know in the comments? If this is the same size for every axe, that'd be good to know. It might be. No, maybe not. Oh, it's pretty close. Be careful, they almost take out a huge wedge. Okay, I'll do more, then we'll come back.
Okay, not the greatest picture, but anyway, just to give you an idea. So, this is what we're going for. Just try to get that on a little bit. And then you can sort of work it on a bit. And it gives you an idea. So it gives you an idea what and where needs to go down. And I'll use this here for this part. I'll use my rasp here and just obviously not with one hand like this. So yeah. Oh, this is where I'm at. Lots of this. Lots of this. Some of this. Not this. It's too rough. This. This one's not perfectly symmetrical, but for a splitting axe, can't complain too much. I'm not a professional, but that's how she's looking. Okay.